My name is Dr. Jörg
Schwitaler, and I'm a founding member of the Gilborn Group practice, established in 1997. We treat around 150 to 200 patients every week. We have been using Miele machines since the very beginning.
My name is Ute Wurmstich. I've worked here for almost 10 years, and my job is to implement the hygiene guidelines. My busy colleagues don't have time to clean and scrub instruments during their lunch break. There are wonderful machines for that, so why not use them? We are very well equipped, also with a new machine. It has some new features. For example, after washing, the door opens automatically, allowing moisture to escape. We are enormously satisfied with it.
For me, service plays a very big part in cooperation. So it's always really good to work with someone who doesn't leave you feeling you're alone, and you can call if you have a problem. A technician visits, we discuss the issue, and then we're supported accordingly, bringing the whole product forward together.
We have had such a good experience with Miele that I wouldn't want to try any other. Never change a running system, as they say. Well, I wouldn't want to.
Miele stands for quality, durability, and good customer support.